What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Bitcoin Cash price chart because we have hit the support level that we have talked about in the last video. Therefore I have a trading update for you from my side, and also we will have a quick look into what is potentially about to happen next. So let's get right into this. The support level that I'm talking about is this trend line right here that we have established since April, and we kept a very strong trend. Yeah, lately we made some messing around, so we got below this, then back above, and right now we are back at this level right here. So right now we are touching the support level, and therefore, as I said it in the last video, this is the first point where I will open a new position. I have already done this. You can see the screenshot right here. My entry price at 577.8. So while I'm making the video, it's slightly in the profit. And very important to add is that the order that I have opened is a smaller position. So this is not a big position because I expect to potentially see a little bit more downside moves, because we have, okay, right now we are holding the support. Yes, this is true, but also we have to take a look into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is, leading the market. Therefore, if Bitcoin drops, altcoins likely will follow. I know Bitcoin Cash has outperformed Bitcoin in terms of the price because we can see a very nice trend in Bitcoin Cash. We do not have this trend right here in Bitcoin. Therefore, Bitcoin Cash currently is stronger. But right now, Bitcoin is battling with this resistance zone right here, and we have another rejection. So as it seems right now, we still have 4 hours left to go, but as it seems, the daily candle will close below this resistance. Therefore, we have made our next attempt. It looks like another liquidity grab, and right now we are back moving down, and therefore potentially seeing another rejection, maybe another move lower right here, potentially then to the next support. But right now it seems like that Bitcoin has not the strength to get back above this resistance level, and therefore potentially also the general market and also altcoins will suffer from this, potentially also Bitcoin Cash. But Bitcoin Cash, because it is so strong recently, I already have opened a small position right here, but I anticipate that it potentially will fall even lower. Potentially we are also falling here back to the 543 level. This is then my next buying opportunity, and here I will also increase the position size. So that means here I have opened a small position, here I will open a bigger position, and it could be that Bitcoin Cash price chart is currently messing around with us like it has right here. So where we have fallen for a short period of time below even also the downward trend line, and then quickly getting back up again, dropping again below this, making also liquidation, and then moving higher. So that is something that I would expect to happen next. Also, in case we are doing this, so in case we are dropping here to this level, then also we need to be cautious because we have some more support to the downside, but then also if we are moving back to the upside, there is the potential that then we are starting to build a range right here, and then potentially just being able to get back here, then get rejected again. So that is also a potential possibility, but currently this goes into speculation. I just want to say that right now, this level right here between 640 and 607.5, this is currently our main battleground. And you know that I think I have said in the last update or in the update before this, that if we are breaking above this level, then we are activating a price target that is much bigger and that is above $1,000. But first of all, we need to get there. And because we have so many rejections right now, and it seems so hard for Bitcoin Cash to get above the 640 level, that is, by the way, the level where we need a daily candle close above this, and then we are activating the price target. But therefore, in case we are doing this, I also expect a lot of follow through and a lot of momentum coming back into Bitcoin Cash. But right now we should not focus on the things that may happen. Right now we should focus on what is currently happening, and that is basically the points that I have mentioned. So currently I'm looking at this support level and this support level. To the upside, you know, it gets bullish as soon as we are getting back above the 607.5 level. Important to know, with a daily candle close, and then we are still in the battleground, so then we still have a high likelihood of getting rejected again. So it will be very interesting in the future to see what is happening in Bitcoin Cash. Currently I have positioned myself with a small buying position, and you know, in case there should be any changes to the upside, to the downside also in my positions, then I will upload a new video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, in case you have any questions or any other cryptos that you want me to have a look at, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.